In front of me is SONY Xperia 1.4 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Samsung voice recorder. Then install this app from this developer and open it. After that, you need to click on this red button and choose while using the app or only this time. As you can see, after that my recording is on. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on the same middle button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this pen icon and tap on OK. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the check mark. Now tap on save at the top right corner and as you can see my recording is over here. If you wish to play it, you need to click on it. If you wish to rename it, you need to go back, click on those three dots over here, select rename, type in wherever you wish to, and tap on OK. If you wish to get rid of your recording though, you need to hold it, tap on this pin icon at the top right corner and select delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!